Hello and welcome. My name is Nate with Userlytics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add new team member accounts to your platform. So let's jump right into it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way up here to the top right-hand corner, and you're going to go ahead and select Company Settings. From here, you're going to go to the Members section on the left-hand menu bar, and from here you can actually add team members. Now, you're only going to be able to add a new user account if you are an admin already. Otherwise, if you're just simply a member, you will not be able to create new team accounts. Now, once we click that, all you have to do is add the different emails here. You can add multiple at a time for quicker addition of multiple accounts to your platform, and you can assign them as a company admin here specifically. All right, now there are two different types of accounts within our platform. There is a single team and a multi-team. If you have a single team, then from right here, you'll only be able to assign the roles of the participants, or I should say the new accounts you're going to add. If you have a multi-team setup, then you'll see all of your teams here, and then you can add those individual team members to accounts to those teams as needed. Again, noting that you can have multiple users. You can also have an individual user be in multiple teams. All right, two different permission levels. A creator is able to create projects and make edits in the result analysis, but someone who is a viewer is not able to essentially edit anything in the platform. They're only able to view the projects and studies that they have access to. From here, you'll just hit save, and you'll be able to see all of the different members or accounts within your platform. And you can always go over here to manage that person and change their permission level, maybe assign them to a new team or make them an admin. Remember that you can always remove a team member as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.